Hey guys, it's Melanie. Happy Tuesday and welcome back. So today's video is literally just to inform you guys about an amazing sale on a product that you ask me about all the time. So in theory, this video should be quick, but we all know I talk a little bit too much. I'm going to be putting information in the description box down below, which some of you are really good about looking at, and some of you are like, where can I find? And I'm always like, please check the description box, because I do take a lot of time filling that thing out for you guys, so open it up. I will put the link to the product. I will put any discount code that you need. I'm not sure if they are just gonna automatically put this thing on sale, so whether you need a code or not, but I will put the link to the product in the description box down below. This is a supplement that I have now, at this point in time, been taking it for over a year. And as soon as I started taking it, I started getting comments probably within the first 3 to 4 months asking, what are you doing to your hair? Why is it growing so fast? Why does it look healthier? What's going on with your hair? I have talked about these supplements for, I think my first video was last October, but I started taking the supplements a few months before that. So these are them, you guys. I've talked about them a lot, but most of you are like, I don't want to pay $55, which I completely understand. They're expensive, I'm not gonna lie. However, I will never not be without, I am buying these now with my own money from City Beauty. At first, they sent me a 3-month supply, which originally got me hooked, right? I was testing the supplement out and reporting back on what my experiences were. The funny thing is that this is called the Complete Skin Restore. This is supposed to be more of like a skincare benefit supplement, but for me, it is having an amazing effect on my hair and my nails, which are 2 areas that I struggled with for a long time in terms of getting my hair to really start growing, getting my nails to not be brittle and constantly snap off. My nails grow so friggin' fast. In fact, I need to trim them again. They grow so fast. They are so much harder than they were in the past, but not in a way where they're like brittle if I accidentally bend them. They're amazing nails. I mean, I don't take care of my cuticles worth a dang, but my nails grow like weeds. My hair has grown more in the last year than it ever has at any point in time. And I have taken a lot of different hair supplements. I have taken them from, I tried the Sugar Bear stuff. I've tried the Nature's Bounty. I've tried just regular biotin by itself. Just a multitude of different types of hair, skin, and nail products. And none of them ever worked the way that this one does. One of the things that I also noticed for my hair, besides a lot of growth, and I just recently got my hair cut, so I had probably a couple inches taken off the bottom, and then I had some layers put in, as well as the curtain bangs. I would have never had layers put in my hair with the way that my hair used to be in terms of its like thinness or its, my hair is a really fine texture, right? Like when you cut layers into fine hair, sometimes it can look awful because I always joked about having 57 strands of hair. Now my hair falls out way less. What is the term for that? Like, I just don't notice nearly as much hair shedding either when I'm brushing my hair or when I'm washing my hair. That is one of the biggest things. I feel like I am keeping more of my hair, and I have had a ton of new growth around like this area here, around like my part. There's always like baby hairs popping up. I love this supplement, you guys, and I have been paying for it myself over the last year. I just cannot tell you what an amazing product this has been for me. Definitely look at the ingredients, make sure that there's nothing like that's contraindicated with any medication you may take, Because it is a supplement, I think it's very important to talk to your doctor first. If you are on some kind of medication regimen, you just want to make sure that adding this into your routine doesn't cause any complications or issues with any other medications you may be taking. So there's a disclaimer, you should know to talk to your doctor first. So these have cholera in them, resveratrol, as well as, and I always screw this up, I think it's called quercetin. I probably messed that up. Also in here, you are going to find some folic acid. There's some biotin in here. There's some panthenoic acid, vitamins A, C, B, 1, 2, 3, and 6. And then also some other things as well. There's glycerin in here, hyaluronic acid. So this is just a really great product for your skin in general. And I'm very happy with how my skin looks. I'm sure that part of the way that my skin looks is due in part to the supplements. And then I obviously have a pretty extensive skincare routine. So I feel like I have a harder time gauging in terms of like skincare benefits. But I do know it was not until I started taking this supplement that my nails finally started to grow and didn't shred the second that they got past like my fingertips. The fact that my hair isn't falling out like crazy, that it's growing super fast. I know that this is doing something for my hair for sure. And just for the hair stuff alone, I will continue to take this for the rest, well, as long as they make it. There we go. I've never had any issues with these pills, by the way. I'm pretty sensitive. I will get nauseous with a lot of pills. These don't make me nauseous at all. Now I do take them with a meal, which usually best thing to do. It helps the absorption a little bit, but these are just really fantastic. This is also a vegan friendly formula. So if that is important to you, please know that. You guys, it's 50% off during the sale. Now the sale is only for a couple days. Like I said, the description box will have all that information. I myself, whenever this goes on sale for 50% off, I buy at least half a year's worth. So that's what I'm planning on doing, because regular price for this is 55 bucks. 50% off, that is half off. That's a good deal. So I'm going to be buying my next 6 months supply. So this is the bottle that I currently have open. This is my last backup. You can see the little seal is still on here. I was really hoping there was going to be a sale happening, because otherwise I would just have to use my regular 15% off code, which you can also use, but it's better to get 50% off, right? You should get 50% off. So anyway, I'm going to be picking up my next 6 months worth. You guys have been asking me about this supplement. You have said it's too expensive. Now's your chance. It's 50% off. I started to see results, like I said, within the first 2-3 months. I just noticed less hair falling out. I started noticing it growing a little bit faster, my nails growing faster. The longer I've been taking it, the better the results. I am now actually, there are days where I will do like the supplement just every other day. I feel like that's kind of a good maintenance level. But I do think you need to take it for several months to really start seeing the benefits of the growth. Oh, I was like, what is that moving in my backyard? It's my dogs. It's fine. I was like, are there animals in the back? Yeah, I know them. I feed them every morning. Anyway, you guys, 50% off. This is a great deal. This is the best deal you're going to find on these, I feel like. And I would say load up. I don't think you're going to notice a whole lot after just a month. I think this is something that you have to make a commitment to. I've made the commitment to it. It has been money well spent and zero regrets. I love my hair. I feel like my natural gray hair just feels the best that it ever has in my entire life. Even when I was a kid and it was just naturally blonde and unprocessed, I think my hair feels better and I love it even more now. So there you go. All right, that's the secret to how my hair grows so fast, how my nails grow so long and unfortunately strong. I don't like long nails, so that's an issue for me. But if you like growing your nails, you should try these. All right, you guys, have a great rest of your day. I'll put the information in the description box and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Toodaloo.